Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, if you haven't seen the title already, I am finally reviewing the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, and I'm also comparing it to the Hollywood Flawless Filter right here, which I have in a mini size. This is 14 and this is 14, so look at the comparison size. This one has 1.06 fluid ounces and then the mini size has 0.18 fluid ounces. So these two shades is in the shade 3 Fair and this is in the shade 3 Light Medium. So right off the bat, they kind of have like a similar tone. I'm super excited because e.l.f. is a really great company and I've loved literally every single product that they have. Like the CC cream, the Camo CC cream is one of my favorites if you're looking for like an inexpensive foundation slash CC cream. It's really good and all their products are just killer. I love e.l.f. I feel like they're such a great company, and this is not sponsored by the way. I just really love their products, and it's been a while since I've tried out like drugstore makeup, and I know for a fact e.l.f. just kills in everything that they do. So on one side I'm gonna have the e.l.f. and the other side I'll have my Charlotte Tilbury, which the full size does retail for $44. That's insane. And I think for the full size one it is 1.0 fluid ounces, so this one has a little bit more. So you can't go wrong with literally e.l.f. So I am experiencing, I'll get a little closer, a lot of breakouts and texture on my skin. So we'll see how this product looks on my skin. Oh gosh, they like seal this up really good. Alright. Woo! Look at the applicator on this thing. It's so huge. That's insane. Alright, so where is my mirror? I'm gonna apply it on my left side, which you can tell this has like more of a peachy medium coverage, which I'm gonna do 3 swipes right there, and I'm gonna blend it out with my Sephora 94 brush just to see if this has any coverage. Wow. The consistency of this does feel a little thicker. It is giving me a little bit of coverage, so let me zoom you in. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it did cover up some of my acne scarring right here. And it doesn't look like it's emphasizing my texture a whole lot, which is a good thing. So if you have like acne prone texture skin, this would be perfect for you. Oh, that is gorgeous. So let me zoom you out. And let's do my right side. So I do have a different Sephora 94 brush, so I'm not using the same one, I promise. And right off the bat, this applicator is different. I don't know about the big one. I got the little one to try out and I really loved it. But literally these two shades are pretty much identical. And this one, you can kind of feel it's a little lighter in texture. This one does have less coverage than the e.l.f. Let me zoom you in. But they practically do the same thing. Again, not emphasizing my texture. And on my lips, I'm still going through like my allergy reaction on my lips for some reason. It's getting better. But literally, you guys, these are exactly the same thing. Let me swatch them both. So this is gonna be Charlotte Tilbury right here, and then right underneath it is gonna be the e.l.f. I did notice with the e.l.f. applicator you do get tons, so if you want to just like swipe a little bit off on the edge of the cap just to get a good amount. So off the bat, they literally look the same, y'all. Look at that. They're basically the same thing, and the prices are different. So let me blend out Charlotte Tilbury, and let me touch the e.l.f. Yeah, you guys. If this isn't a dupe, then I don't know what is. This is a straight up dupe. You can't even tell the difference. Literally. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. If you guys don't want to shut out the money for this, you can definitely get the e.l.f. The e.l.f. so far is literally impressing me. Like, I can't believe these are basically the same products. They basically both claim the same thing for a Super Stay Youth Glow, and this was a glow booster for radiant skin. Basically the same thing, but different wording. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation, and I'll come back on to show you how everything looks with my makeup on. Alright, so it is 11:51 since I got done doing my makeup. As much as this hurts me to say, but at the same time, I'm like super excited. e.l.f. completely duped Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm not mad about it. My skin looks so good. You can't even tell the difference between them two. I feel like e.l.f. freaking killed it with this. I am so excited for this product. There hasn't been like a makeup product that I've been super excited about, and seeing that e.l.f. duped a cult favorite, and not only that, Charlotte Tilbury, who is super high-end, super expensive, makes me so excited. My skin looks so good, even though I do have pretty much textured skin like I've said before. I mean, it's not emphasizing it. I mean, I do have a lot of texture around my mouth right now just because, like I said before, I'm experiencing an allergic reaction. But to be quite honest with you, my face looks flawless on both sides. I mean, Charlotte Tilbury, I mean, it's Charlotte Tilbury, so you can't expect anything else from her. But e.l.f., you are killing the game once again. You never disappoint. Your products are top notch for being a drugstore product. I'm pretty sure you guys can see where I'm going with this. If you haven't tried it already, or you thought about buying a Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter and didn't want to spend the extra cash on that, please go ahead and pick up the Hello Glow from e.l.f. You will not be disappointed. This stuff is amazing. For $14, $14 compared to $44, that's a huge price gap if I say so myself. And while you're on the e.l.f. website and you want to get more products, I definitely recommend the mascara, the Big Moon mascara, and any of their eyeshadow palettes. They're phenomenal, trust me. And if you guys are curious what's on my face right now, I will definitely leave everything listed down below for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this comparison, and let me know what other videos you want me to do. I know it's been a long time since I've done a drugstore haul or just a drugstore dedicated video on all the new makeup that's come out. I haven't been really intrigued by any of them, so e.l.f. Halo Glow, I don't know what it is. I feel like I'm in limbo with drugstore makeup at the moment. Let me know what drugstore products you guys are loving so I can go ahead and try them out. I'll be more than happy to try out your guys' recommendations just because it's been a while and I am up for new drugstore makeup. So if you guys did like this video, please go ahead and give me a like, comment down below, and feel free to leave a comment. What do you think about this? Do you think it is a dupe? Did you like it on my face? Are you guys gonna pick it up? Let me know. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!